Who do you fart on?
Just people.
Why? No, you
Hidden cameras. Oh, really?
I'm sure you do.
Okay, I mean...
You think it's fucking funny?
Yeah.
Why are you being
That's
so bad?
disgusting.
For what? It's air.
Out of your ass.
No, it's fake.
See, why didn't you have enough from the get-go? I thought
Come here, give me a hug. You need a hug. Come here.
that pissed me
Bring
off.
it in.
Did
I literally was about to punch you.
God, why couldn't you have
Well, I wish
flushed?
you would- But he stopped recording on you, and I was like, you just missed the best person.
He's like, what you're in the corner. He said, you just missed
I
the
just
best
walked around
one.
trying to find you.
Oh, I seen you coming. I seen you coming up to that aisle, and I was like, I'm gonna step off and just let her go past as soon as she goes gets this.
I was about to, literally, I texted my friend, I was like, I'm about to punch this guy. Tell me it's okay.
No, it's a YouTube.
I literally was about to come by you.